Happy Friday. I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Burn at Home workout. So hopefully you've had a great week so far and are getting ready for an even better weekend. So at Wildfire, we've got all kinds of stuff going on for you this weekend. At 9 a.m., we've got a free open to the public class. All skill levels are welcome. Whether you're just getting started or have been doing fitness for a while, Saturday morning's a great time to get in and get a great workout with an awesome community. So after that, we've actually got 19.3 of the CrossFit Games Open going on. So you can come, hang out, watch, cheer people on, and see what CrossFit is really all about and get the competition side of what we do. So getting right into it today, we've got a warm-up where we're going to be going 2 rounds of 25 run in place, 10 hollow-ups, 10 donkey kicks, and then 10 T-bones. So 2 rounds starting with that 25 run in place. Just stay on the toes, get your arms and legs moving together. Just bring your feet up off the ground a little bit. If you want to go a little bit more intensity, really get those knees up as you're running in place. Go a little faster. And if you need to slow it down, do more of a standing march and just bring those knees up about halfway each time. So again, the whole point's just to get the blood flowing, get that heart rate up a little bit. We are going right plus left equals 1 on all these. So just count that right leg each time, and then I'll make it easy. Then after that, after the 25 run in place, we're going 10 hollow ups. So on that hollow up, you're going to be on the ground, arms overhead, and just make that banana shape with your body and right back down. Just squeeze at the core and keep that lower back on the ground. Just shoulders and thighs off the ground and right back down. If you need to do this from more of a seated position, same kind of thing. Just bring those feet up straight in front of you and get that good core squeeze each time. Then we've got 10 donkey kicks where you're going to be on all fours and you're going to bend your leg as you kick it up behind you and then switch legs each time. You should really feel that good squeeze in the glutes and in the hamstring. Again, right plus left equals 1 on these. You can also do this from more of a leaning position over a chair, a couch, and just the same thing, bend that knee as you go up and get that good stretch in the glute and the hamstring each time. Finally, we've got 10 T-bones. T-bone, you're going to go flat on your back and bring your legs up, out, together, down. And just keep that motion going. Just about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. If you need to stabilize your hips, put your hands underneath your butt, and that'll help. And of course, doing this from a seated position, you can do it the same way, where you're just bringing your feet up, out, together, and then down. Same positioning. So 2 rounds, 25 run in place, 10 hollow ups, 10 donkey kicks, and then 10 T-bones. For the workout today, we are going to be doing a 4-minute AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes, and you're going to repeat that 4 times with a 1-minute rest in between each round. The whole purpose and point of doing a workout like this is so that you can really pick up the intensity during that 4 minutes, knowing that you're going to get a 1-minute rest. So get as many rounds as possible in that 4 minutes. And then at the start of each new period, you're going to pick up where you left off on these exercises. So if you're right in the middle of an exercise, make sure you keep that count. So when you start the next round, that's where you'll start instead of starting at the beginning. We're going to be doing 10 lunges, 10 sit-ups, 10 dips, and 10 plank jacks. So 10 of each exercise, 4 exercises in there. Go hard as fast as you can. Go hard in this one. Then you'll get that 1-minute rest, and then keep that intensity up through all 4 rounds. 16 minutes of work with 3 minutes of rest built in between. On the lunges, you're going to start standing position. I like to start with my hands on my hips. That's why I'm not tempted to push off on my knees. Go all the way down, touch that knee to the ground, and then drive away with that heel each time, and then switch legs. Again, right plus left equals 1 on these. If you're not able to get quite all the way down, but you can get a good range of motion here, that's okay. Do the best that you can. If you need to hold on to something as you do it to get that range of motion, just to get a little balance and stability, that's totally okay. I'd rather see the range of motion than anything there. And then if you need to do more of a step up instead, it's the same motion. That stepping motion is going to work the same muscles as a lunge, just not quite the same range of motion. So go to a stair in the house, something 12 to 14 inches off the ground. If you've got a box or some wood or books or whatever you need to do to create that step, just make sure it's stable, be smart, be careful, all that good stuff. After your 10 lunges, you're going to do 10 sit-ups. On those sit-ups, just butterfly those feet, and that'll help you get that range of motion. If you want to go legs straight out in front, that's okay too. But you're going to go all the way back, shoulders touching the ground, and then throw those arms forward as you come up. And keep that good motion going. Really drive those hips going up and down here, because you're not going to get as much core stability through that motion. You can also use an object, something that weighs 3 to 5 pounds, and this is just going to help give you some momentum as you throw it forward to get all the way up to the top. And of course, doing it from a sitting position, you're just going to bring your knees into your chest each time and then let it go. And just keep that motion going. After your 10 sit-ups, you've got 10 dips. Now, what we want to see on the dips is get on the side of the chair, a couch, something like that, and go ahead and push your butt off the edge and go ahead and dip down. We want to see those elbows bend to 90 degrees and then right out again. If you want to make it more challenging, put your legs right out in front of you for that motion. If you want to make it a little bit easier, bring your feet right in front of you, and that way you can also use your legs for some support there. So whatever you need to do to get the best range of motion and really work the upper body, the shoulders, the chest, those dips are really going to be good for some extra shoulder work. Finally, we're finishing up with 10 plank jacks. Plank jacks, you're going to be on your forearms in that plank position, butt down, keep that torso tight, and you're just going out and back for those plank jacks. If you need to do more of a stepping motion, that's okay. And of course, going to that raised platform, same thing, either jumping or stepping. And just back and forth. So 4-minute AMRAP, 10 lunges, 10 sit-ups, 10 dips, and then 10 plank jacks. Do as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes. Take a 1-minute rest and repeat a total of 3 more times for a total of 4 rounds. 1 minute rest in between each round. So make sure you've got a watch or a clock nearby that'll give you that countdown. And you are going to pick up where you left off after each round. Again, keep that intensity high during each 4-minute period and have a blast with this one. It's a great workout. So thanks, guys. Have fun. If you have any questions, contact us here, and we'll keep this going. We'll see you on Monday, and have an awesome, awesome weekend. So we'll see you soon. Coach Skip signing off.